So Matt and I are going to be talking more about wedding stuff today. Babe, are those the new ones I got you? On tap? What? Is that alcohol? So Matt and I are going to be talking more about wedding stuff today. Like when we get home, budget-wise, and like everything like that. And weddings are so expensive. Like I've reached out to a couple different friends of mine that are going through the wedding process right now / have gotten married. And I'm just like, this is like a rough estimate of what we are thinking it's going to be. Was yours even close to this? And luckily they like came back and said, yes, that doesn't seem like far-fetched at all. But I'm just like, this is ridiculous. Thank gosh it's 2 years away, because that on top of a honeymoon, which I have decided it's going to be all-inclusive honeymoon with like one of those like carefree chill out ones. And I'm not gonna have like a tour of Ireland that costs like $8,000 on top of all of the other wedding expenses and stuff. Get a quote from the actual like catering service that I guess is the best for the venue that is like literally my dream venue. And a ton of the reviews on like the.com said don't even try other catering because of the building that I want is like very hard to maneuver around and stuff like that. So I would rather anticipate no help and know that we can afford the stuff than anticipate help and then not happen and then we'd be screwed. So I'm just gonna go with us not getting help right now and try to get it together of what it will cost. And they just meow until I let them down here while I work out. What is right there? Your brother was doing it today. She thinks I want to take her upstairs. What's up, buddy? Carl. I'm not taking you upstairs. You little turds. Oh, there she is. Okay, so sometimes it doesn't look the best, and this is definitely an example of that. This week, I have it's Tuesday, so this will be through Saturday. I have like 3/4 cup of rice on each of these. Bought the same amount of sweet potatoes, so 3.5. So between these, there's 3.5 cups of garbanzo beans, so that divided evenly. And then broccoli, nutritional yeast, salsa verde, sweet chili lime, fresh thyme sauce. There's so many dry ingredients in here that I needed to add sauces, I feel like, and I just did not know what to add, so I just added salsa verde and the sweet chili. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's not always the prettiest, right, Matt? But you're feeding your body, and that's all that matters. And actually talking to Matt about that today while like he was cooking, the older I get, the more I just don't care about how amazing it tastes and how it looks either. I'm just like, okay, I need to eat to live. What can I put together to live, pretty much? I don't know. I just don't care as much about what I'm eating. But I care about what I put in my body, but not how good it tastes. Is that the thing? No, it needs to taste good. I don't know where I'm going with this. I don't care about food as much as I used to. Still like Doritos once a week though.
Say she's lazy and doesn't want to put the time and effort into putting extravagant meals together.
Well, yeah, that too. Definitely that. But I don't know.
95% that.
Gosh, though, nutritional yeast has so many good benefits in it that like adding that to anything will make your pee really yellow.
Super yellow.
Matt has found that out firsthand.
Like neon.
Neon yellow.
Like seeing the dark bright.
So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what my meal prep looks like, because a lot of these YouTubers, they just always look so good and yummy, and mine sometimes is just thrown together just to have some food in my body. Right, buddy? And for it not to take 500 freaking years to do either. I like my meal prep to be literally like an hour or less. And that's what it was today. So go me. And now I have food for 4 days. Literally like in December I got them. And I just built them because they came like with the wheels off and everything 2 days ago. And the weather is super freaking nice. Are you trying to hide?
No. There's a bike coming, 2 bikes coming. So
Oh.
I'm just trying to get in line because you're all over the place because you're trying to record.
Sorry. Dude, these feel so good though. Okay, like 3 minutes in now at this point. There's just a ton of people and I have to get used. What? Yeah. Anyway, there's just a ton of people and I feel like I need to get used to vlogging anyway, so why not do it when I'm speeding past people and they won't even recognize who I am. So now's the time. Anyway, these rollerblades are literally like night and day compared to the ones I used to have. Literally the old ones were from Walmart, and so, I don't know, the wheels, you can hear Matt's wheels right now. You can barely hear. The other ones were 15 times louder than Matt's are right now. And like he would complain about how slow I was going and how I couldn't keep up. And I'm like, the wheels on rollerblades really do make a difference. Like you need a good pair of rollerblades with nice wheels to just be able to zoom and not have to do any effort. The other one, I would literally be like sweating my balls off and he would just be like, dude, you're going slow. I was putting in like quadruple the amount of effort that I currently am right now.
I'm just wondering when this zooming is going to start.
Are you being disrespectful?
Yes.
All right, start zooming, buddy. Go. I'm a big girl, I can go by myself.
I mean, I'm not really zooming, I'm just going and then I have to stop.
Oh my gosh, look at your butt in those shorts. Babe, are those the new ones I got you? Wow, look back at it. Your freaking socks go up to your knees. Mid-shin. Hey. Anyway, this is literally perfect weather. Like it's supposed to be rainy all weekend and I'm kind of stoked about it because we are busy the next like 5 weekends in a row. Oh.
I hope you did.
That was cute. It's supposed to be like raining all weekend and we are busy literally like the next 5 weekends after this one. No. But we're literally busy like the next 5 weekends. So I'm kind of excited to just stay in and do nothing. Literally, I think it's 70 right now. And I thought it was gonna rain for a second, but it hasn't yet. Coming to, ew, it smells like poop. Ew, it smells really bad. We're coming to the end of our blade session. Oh, god dang it. And the next time, I'm not wiping any bug juice off of my face so that I can just collect and see how much there is at the end of it. Because the amount of bugs I've killed with my forehead today, I get it's a landing zone, but god dang. What, Matt? This is the sign. Today, 4-7 bike ride, Rusty Road, St. Elizabeth, on tap? What? Is that alcohol? Look at my cute family down here. Hey, Lily. 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 Lily? Are you freaking ignoring me? I am your mother. You will pay attention to me. Oh my gosh, look at the little toe beans over here. I gotta film the toe beans. Hey. Why are it? Look at his ears.
Yeah, why were your ears like that?
He was gonna attack her.
He's been trying to, but I'm in his way.
God, dude, you're so annoying. Oh wow, we got movers. We have movers. Oh wow.
You gonna fight me or you gonna just pretend?
Pretend. You're my dad. I'm so frustrated. Okay, so we need a vent installed in our bathroom because, let me show you. Because mold just grows like a weed in here because there's no vent anywhere, all right? So there is this new handy guy that works at the place we live at, and he's supposed to be coming. The handyman that always comes was here right on time, 9:30 on the dot was here. And then the other one said, oh, I'm gonna be late, which has just happened before. I'm gonna be late. I have to go pick up material, whatever. And then an hour after, 10:30 a.m., text
the other handyman that's already sitting here. We've just been talking and he's been doing other stuff around the building, and was just like, hey, stopped at home to get material. He found something, and I just don't need to get in detail. I don't know how much I can like really share. But anyway, he canceled. He literally freaking canceled after having this planned. And I'm just like, I have left work a couple times. I've been dealing with trying to get this vent installed for like a month and a half at this point, and it just looks bad on me now too. I'm telling my job, oh, it's gonna happen today, it's gonna happen today, and then it never freaking happens. And this time I was so sure it was gonna happen because my landlord called me, and I was like, oh, this is the first time. Usually I've been dealing with the handy guy. The landlord called. I was like, this is great. And I'm sure they'll be very annoyed with the situation too, because they scheduled it and everything. But it's so annoying because we took everything out of here. Like, we had pictures hanging there, we had blinds there, we had obviously all of our shower curtains, and then like everything we usually have on the counters and stuff, we took out.